The Ruyas of Essar Group are ready to debut on the London Stock Exchange by listing their energy company. Once it's listed, the company will be considered for inclusion on the FTSE 100 index.
Right, and Ruchita Saxena has been tracking the development closely. She's joining us live now on what the management really has to say. Ruchita, what's the word coming in from the Ruyas? Of course, the more details on the FPO and what really is the money going to be deployed for?
Yes, the Essar is the next Indian company after Vedanta Resources to be raising money at the London Stock Exchange, and the Ruyas actually sound very optimistic regarding this IPO. Prashant Ruya, the Vice Chairman of Essar Energy, said today that it is in fact the right time for the company to open its business to global capital and fund future expansion, and the company is hoping to raise as much as $2.5 billion by diluting 20 to 25% equity with JP Morgan and Deutsche Bank as the joint book runners. But Naresh Nair, the CEO of Essar Energy, also explained how the company will be using the IPO proceeds. It will be mainly utilized for the existing projects of the company, like the expansion of its power generation capacity to over 11,000 megawatts and the expansion of its Wadinar oil refinery and bringing its existing oil and gas projects into production. But more than that, the company also confirmed that it is still in talks with Shell for buying its refineries. So there's a lot more growth plans that the company has in the pipeline, and it's looking forward to the IPO, which is expected to be launched as early as next week.